always something better, and the grass is always green. The kind of things that you demystify the other side. A fantasy is good as long as you know it's not the same as reality. And I wish it's good too, but don't you go throwing it all away into an empty well. Well, there is always something better, and the grass is always green. That kind of thing clearly you demystify the other side. Now, there's another section, but I just want to stop and make sure that you're feeling it. Are you feeling it?
Yeah!
Said I was trying every day for more and more, but I felt like I had less and less. Funny how sometimes we fall to such emptiness. Now beauty always dies unless it's deeper than skin. But honesty is loyal and will be with you until the very end. 'Cause there is always something better, and the grass is always green. That kind of thing till you demystify the other side. Now let me tell you, there is always something better. And I don't know why Barry White just possessed my soul. Until you demystify the other side. Yeah. Thank you very much. Good night, you all.